Trump is the little kid covered in mud. U.S. President Trump said on Tuesday that he wanted to immediately replace Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. "I wish I could get rid of that guy right away, but someone is stopping me," Trump said before meeting Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman at the White House. He harshly criticized, "Jerome Powell is a fool, completely stupid." Some people think Trump's actions are really not like those of a major country's president. They do seem like those of a little kid covered in mud, as former House Speaker Pelosi said. According to federal law, members of the Federal Reserve Board such as Powell have job protection unless there are sufficient justifiable reasons for their dismissal. Judicial practice usually defines justifiable reasons as serious malfeasance or gross negligence. However, Trump's statement was more based on policy differences or personal grudges. Experts warn that given the special role that the United States and the Federal Reserve play in maintaining the stability of the global financial system, if Trump forcibly dismisses Powell, it could trigger market panic. What will happen? We'll wait and see. Personal opinion, not investment advice.